Hello everyone, we are going to show you how to establish an Ultra website connecting to a geodatabase. Before creating a website, we will demonstrate the way to store data into a geodatabase. In this example, we adopt Windows Server 2008 and Windows SQL Server 2008 as the geodatabase. Of course, you can use other database management systems, such as Microsoft Access and Oracle Spatial 10i or 11g as the geodatabase. Then, we will use one of Superg's desktop add-ons, Geodatabase Client, to store the edited geodata into a geodatabase. First of all, you can add some feature layers into Superg's desktop according to your needs. In this example, we add a feature layer named World City. Then you can click Geodatabase Source drop-down list and choose Save Layer 2 and click MS SQL Server. Choose the layer you want to store into the geodatabase and click Next. MS SQL Server list window opens. Click Add Server button. SQL Server login window opens, and you need to enter the complete server name. If you are not sure what the server name is, you can find the complete server name by starting SQL Server Management Studio. Please follow the steps in the video to find the complete server name. Go back to SQL Server Login dialog and paste the complete server name in the Server Edit box. Uncheck Use Trusted Connection and enter the administrator name and password in the login ID and password. And click OK. Click Save. And the data is stored into the geodatabase now. The manipulation of Geodatabase Client. Please read Superg's Desktop User Guide. Go back to SQL Server Management Studio and follow the steps in the video to check whether the data has been stored or not. And we're going to show you how to add a SQL Server layer in a map project file. Navigate to Start, All Programs, SuperGeo, SuperWebGIS 3, SuperWebGIS Mapper. SuperWebGIS Mapper is opened. And open a map project file. Click Add Layer from Geodatabase button and click Add Server button and choose MS SQL Server. After MS SQL Connect dialog opens, please enter the complete server name in the Server Edit box and enter Master in the Database Edit box. Then enter the login ID and password into the login and password edit box respectively. Then click OK. Click a SQL Server layer in the source field and click Select Table to open Select Table Layer dialog and choose the table you want to add in table name and click OK. And click Close. Go back to SuperWebGIS Mapper and you can see the SQL Server layer has been added in the Legend window. Then you can add text label of each feature or modify the feature symbols depending on your needs. Now, the features of the layer have been modified. Click Save As button from the File drop-down list to save the project file as a new project file. Save As dialog opens. Because we are going to establish a new Ultra website, we create a new folder named Ultra-GDB. Then we store the new map project file in Ultra-GDB folder and name the file Ultra-GDB and click Save to finish adding a SQL Server layer in a map project file. Now we're going to establish a new Ultra website. Please navigate to Start, All Programs, SuperGeo, SuperWebGIS 3, SuperWebGIS Manager. Now, SuperWebGIS Manager is opened. Click OK. In WebGIS Service tab, we need to add a new map service. Click New Map to open Map Properties dialog. Enter the name of map service in the name edit box. In this example, we enter map-GDB. Enter the port in the port edit box. And choose the map project file ultra-gdb.swg in the path. Then click OK and click Apply. Switch to Designer tab and click the second web template, Ultra. Then click New Website. New Ultra website dialog opens. Now you need to enter the name of virtual directory. In this example, we enter Ultra-GDB. Then, you need to set the content directory. And choose the map service you want to publish. And you can keep the default settings or change the settings to fit your needs. Click OK. And click OK. We finished the establishment of the new Ultra website, which connects to a geodatabase. Now, you can open a browser and enter the web address to check the website you just established. Enter the website address localhost /ultragdb /mapviewer.htm. Then press the Enter key. The new Ultra website is opened. In the website, you can see that the map service not only includes the feature layers, but also the data stored in the geodatabase. That is how to establish an Ultra website connecting to a geodatabase.